A tiny ice-breathing dragon is living in our fridge. Like and subscribe before it turns my cereal into snow. Beyond the milk and leftover pasta sits a tiny dragon, no bigger than my thumb. I discovered it yesterday and thought it was just a lizard that somehow got into our fridge. Then it sneezed. A miniature blast of frost that turned water droplets into perfect ice cream swirls. Now this frosty little creature has made a nest behind the orange juice carton, using frozen condensation to build a crystalline palace. Every morning when I reach for breakfast, it chirps like tinkling icicles. The dragon of winter lives in our kitchen, turning our ordinary fridge into a gateway to a magical realm.